Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 says, of the 500 dogs at the agility competition, 312 were rescue dogs. What percent of the dogs at the competition were rescues? And so in this problem, we're going to first write a ratio and then multiply that by 100 to get the percentage. So we want to know the ratio of rescue dogs to the total number of dogs that there are and find that decimal amount. So we know from the problem there's 312 rescue dogs out of a total of 500 dogs in the agility competition. If I take 312 and I divide it by 500 by punching that into a calculator, I get 0.624. And so that's the decimal form of the ratio 312 over 500. To find the percent, since that's what they're asking us in the problem, I'm going to take 0.624 and I'm going to multiply that by 100 since we want percent per 100. I can punch that into a calculator, or I know there's 2 zeros on the 100, and every time I move the decimal to the right, that's multiplying by 10 by 100, and I would get my answer of 62.4% of the dogs were rescue dogs.